Hello everybody, today we are going to use jelly plates to make a print. This is a jelly plate, it's that thick. These are very fragile and expensive, so I want you to be very careful using them. Always hold them flat, do not bend or break them. This is called a brayer. It helps spread the paint. And then we have our tray of paint and a water bucket and paintbrush. So what you're gonna do, today we're going to be making our initial of our first name. I want you to choose a color, and I want you to scoop it with your paintbrush and gently put it on the jelly plate. And then I want you to take the brayer and gently spread it around. You do not need to press down hard. Just do it very gently and easily, and the paint will spread. And make sure you cover a good amount. If you need a little more, scoop some more paint with your paintbrush and put it on your jelly plate. And then spread it around. Okay. Now, let me wash my brush. Remember, when you make a print, everything shows up backwards. So my initial is a T, and that's pretty easy because a T is going to show the same way, forwards or backwards. But let's try a harder letter like a B. So we need to write the B backwards like this. And I'm using my paintbrush, and I'm going to rinse off some of the excess paint and do it again to make sure we get rid of that paint. And then I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to hold it over the plate and gently lay it down. And then I'm going to use my hands and flatten it very gently. Smooth it out. And then gently peel. And now our B is facing the right way. Now when it's time to clean the jelly plate, I have these towels. I want you to carefully and gently wipe the jelly plate. And carefully wipe the brayer. Get all that paint off there. Now that's clean. And the next person can choose their color. Again, use your paintbrush. Scoop some paint onto the jelly plate. Use the brayer to roll it. And I put the brayer back on the tray so it doesn't mess up our table. And then I'm going to use my paintbrush. Let's pick another letter that we need to draw backwards. How about the letter G? And if you need help with your letters, let me know. Raise your hand. So we need to draw a letter backwards. There's my letter G. Dab off some of the excess water with my paper towel. Okay. Piece of paper. Lay it flat carefully. And with your hands, smooth it out. Lift it up. And our G is the right way.